Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm still Kelly Hope Vanessa. Yes, I'll be taking you through errors we make when using Excel. So get ready to learn the mistakes you do and why you do them. So let me start by going straight to our Excel. It's here. Let me first move this. Let me move it to the side to avoid inconveniencing you and me. Yes, then I come here and just create some more spaces within the cells. So the errors we make in Excel, we have different ways they are called. We have the name error, where you're seeing your work, especially maybe when you're using rank. Then after you've computed your function or your formula, they're giving you hashtag name question mark. That means you've made a mistake in what? In your formula or the function while you were inputting it. So for the name error, are you seeing when I tap it? When you come to the formula bar, you're seeing that there's an error. Like when they show you name question mark, it means you made a problem, like you made a mistake while spelling the word. Like now here I wrote rank with double R, so now because of that I end up with this error. So the correction is you go correct it, like you remove the wrong spelling. Yes, and then after I come back and I come back here and end this. After I've corrected that mistake, I come back and enter. I see now I'm getting correct things. Now you see I now have correct things. Then I still come, there's another error called the hashtag value error. By the okay, another thing also, like are you guys seeing this yellow thing? It's like a signal to tell you where there's a problem. So you click on it and it can just take you to calculation steps and it shows you the mistake you've made, and then you can use it to correct. But me, I'm correcting mine manually. So I come for the value symbol, for the value error, for it also comes when there's a fault with your function. Like now here I use D2. D2 is here for the max. I use the max for math and then names, because A2 is names. So now when you mix a numerical value with with maybe a text, you end up with that value mistake, like here now. So I have to just come and correct it. So I come here and choose, because you cannot add a name with a number, it doesn't add up. So now I come and maybe choose to add it with another number, then I enter, and I'm able to get correct things. Just give me a minute. Cancel. I come here and I auto fill. Then div 0. Div 0 comes with when I am dividing I'm dividing a function, I'm dividing a cell with 0, with an empty cell. Like now here I was dividing D2. D2 is the first mark for math with F12, but you're seeing F12 has nothing. Like by bar 12 there's nothing of F12. So you also just come and correct it. You divide with something sensible, because when you divide any number by 0 you get invalid. So I come and maybe divide this with maybe position. Yeah, I'm now able to get real numbers. Then the num error is also there. Now for the num error, it comes basically when maybe you've inputted numbers that are too big or numbers that are too small. Like now for example here we're using G14. This is cell G14, and then this is this is cell I put G14 to power to power 10,000. that was too big, so put something sensible. So now I come here and correct it, maybe by inputting to a sensible one, maybe to this. Then I autofill. Give me a minute. Let me cancel it. But okay, let me use absolute referencing so that I can get what? Other normal things. With absolute referencing, you just add what? The dollar sign. Every time you're adding a dollar sign, you're doing absolute referencing, in case you didn't know. So yeah, I come now and get it. Yeah, I guess, yeah, that's what you get. But why is it? Yeah. Then we also have what? An error still in Excel called the reference error. Is that ref something? Like now, for example, if I come here and delete everything here, everything here, everything here, everything here, everything here, everything here, everything here. Give me a minute. Let me undo it. Let me undo. Now when I come here, using that rotary, I will come here and maybe decide to merge all these cells. I come and look for merge cells. I delete the entire column. No, I was just supposed to delete the entire column. Just give me a minute. Yeah, I was still telling you about the reference error. So with the reference error, which comes when, like, for example, using under sum, I was using what? ID2 and E2. I was literally using this column and this column. So if I delete any of them, like if I delete the entire column, I end up with that reference what? That reference, I think, end up with this reference error. It affects everything that involved that column I've deleted. So the only way to correct it, just come here. Maybe you could have deleted by mistake. You come and undo, and that is it. Otherwise, yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you for giving me your attention. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Stay blessed. Have a lovely day. Thank you.